Hi, Pastor Josh here, Willow Creek Bible Church. Genesis chapter 1, verses 14 through 19 says this. Then God said, "Let there be lights in the firmament of the heavens to divide the day from the night. Let them be for signs and seasons and for days and years. And let them be for lights in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth." And it was so. Then God made two great lights, the greater light to rule the day and the lesser light to rule the night. He made the stars also. God set them in the firmament of the heavens to give light on the earth, and to rule over the day and over the night, and to divide the light from the darkness. And God saw that it was good. So the evening and the morning were the fourth day. What day was it He made light and darkness? Well, darkness was the absence of light, and so it was there from the beginning, and He created light on day one. Well, what was it connected to? It wasn't connected to anything. It was just there. Now, God has created a greater light for the day, the sun, and a lesser light to rule the night, the moon. And He connects the light source to them for the day and for the night. How? He's God. He said so. This is what He told it to do, and it obeys Him because everything in this universe obeys the voice of the Lord when He says, "This is, it is." You see, truth is God's nature. He speaks the truth. And so when He speaks something into existence, He speaks the truth of it, and it becomes a thing when it wasn't before. And it is now there because it is true, because He spoke it. We don't have that same ability and authority. We don't have the power within us to speak things into existence. We can't speak truth and cause it to come to be. This is cult theology, that you can speak the words just as God did and have the same power of God over creation. One thing we need to realize is that God created things His way. And He did them in a certain way so that if people later down the road, thousands of years later, tried to impose a different cosmology on the Bible, there is no possible way it would fit. You see, in evolution, it says the first thing that happened was there was a great explosion, and things formed and then became sun and planets and stars and things, and then life began, and then the atmosphere changed and things like this, and then life produced. God created it in such a way that there was light without a source of light other than Him holding it together. He then created atmosphere when there was no need for it. Then He created plants. And then He created the sun, the moon, and the stars and the universe so that we could look up and see something so much greater than ourselves. And it is for times and for seasons and for days and years. It is a clock in the sky so that we can tell time. So He creates this light source and attaches the light to it so that the light comes from it. It's a backwards way of thinking for humans because we think, well, it has to happen this way because that's the way we can create things to work. But God is above that. He's beyond what humans can imagine or think or comprehend. And He does it in such a way so that there's no mistake that it's Him.